Well, because you guys are the future. Young people are people too. Everything that happens in society, whether it's the health service, the education system that you're in, school or college or university, all the decisions around that are made by our elected representatives, whether that's at Westminster level, it's at the Senedd, it's at your local council around things like whether your bins are going to be collected. As soon as you go outside your door, or even when you're inside your house, everything that affects your life is the result of decisions that are made by other people. And you have a say in that. You have a say about who those people are. So it's really important for everybody in society, young people included, to get to know the processes around democracy, what different parties stand for. And at the moment, what we're identifying is, it's not people's fault, it's not the users of the media's fault. We're identifying problems with the way that political structures are set up and the way that the media works that actually prevents people from accessing information in a way that is easily digestible.